Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be creating this split screen. It was created on CapCut, so I'll be creating the replica of it on VN editor. So just watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So just watch in details. The way I'll be creating mine is a bit different, but I'll be creating mine in my own form. So just watch to the end. So once you upload, you type your text in which you wanted to superimpose, and you split later. So just type it, then add your own little effect on it, then you do what you export it. Immediately you export, you bring it back to the a new timeline, putting the background in which you wanted to superimpose the text upon. So once you put the text, you use the chroma key to remove the black, the white, then you duplicate. Then after duplicating, you use your maxing tools to max, and you add your keyframe, then you export.